Another way of hunting for file uploading, so basically sometimes you weren't able to bypass their filter, or maybe you will able to but you are not getting which type of file I had to upload. So in this case you can try automation of file uploading. The tool link is this, the Fox Exploiter. It's a very good tool. You just download this. Now I already downloaded, and I got to know that this page having the file updation, okay, file uploaded page. So I'll copy the URL. Now the command is very simple. Run this what fox exploiter.py, python space fox exploiter.py space hyphen hyphen URL, or you can give URL there. That's it. Okay, no module named concurrent. Okay, so there is a problem. So for you can just do just learn their techniques for fox exploiter. See this hyphen hyphen URL. Okay, you have to use python 3, okay, not python. Okay, so I'll use python 3 for fox exploiter space hyphen hyphen URL, and now just use this. Now it will give you all the options you can try. At least one detection method must be provided, either with not rejection or true rejection. So I'll give something like not regression method, regex, and the value I'll give this the wrong file type. Let's copy this now. Let's try this now. So see, so these many files you can upload, like you can upload any VMP, you can upload JPEG, you can upload SPG, you can upload TXT also, text data, you can upload PPTX, you can upload PHP. Yes, you can upload HTML also, and you can also upload what you can upload. You cannot upload PHP. No problem, I can upload lots of things, HTML. Okay, so this way they will give me all the details what they tried. They try 100 extensions. You can start uploading payloads. Yes, start uploading payloads. See, they tried uploading PHP bmp.php4. Yes, see this with the mime type image slash xms bmp successfully, it's uploading. Yes, see this. So this way you can upload on any website. So you can use this. This is very good for file uploading, fox exploiter. See this. This will give you an idea what you can upload there. See this. There you can upload .php 1%00.xlt with the mime type application. This. See this, and it's uploading successfully. So they will give you all the options what you can upload on that websites. All those options. If there will be any web server PHP based or maybe a .NET based, whatever you can upload by this Fox Exploiter. This is a very good tool. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session.